Sawadika! Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Here are the tips for Bangkok, Thailand. Starting May 1, 2025, may arrival card na ang Thailand. Pwede mo siya gawin 3 days before your arrival. From Suvarnabhumi or Don Muang, you can take the BTS train. Para sa tipid option, kung medyo may budget naman, download the Bolt or Grab app for a good price. Reminder sa lahat na magwi-withdraw sa ATM. May 220 baht fee lagi. Kaya pag magwi-withdraw, lakihan na. Between 20,000 to 30,000 baht ang limit ng Thai ATM. Always carry a small amount of bills and coins. Hindi lahat tumatanggap ng card sa Thailand, lalo na yung mga street food. Dress modestly when visiting temples like Wat Po, Wat Arun and Grand Palace. Cover shoulders and knees. Spice levels. Thai food can be very spicy. Always ask for my pet if you want it less spicy. At syempre, mga Pinoy tayo, magaling tayo makipagtawaran. Pero do it politely. Always smile when you do it. Madali naman kausap ang mga Thai. Kung hanap mo naman ay nightlife, pwede ka sa Khao San Road. And last, respect the king. Thailand has strict lèse majesté laws. Avoid talking negatively about the monarchy para di kayo magkaroon ng kaso sa Thailand. Meron din pala tong kulong guys, by the way.